Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon, and the irony of it is I'm using my Swiss Army knife to open it, and what we're actually opening today is my newest pocket knife, the Oldtimer 31OT knife. As with all my videos, I like doing these in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc., packaging like, everything like that. This knife I got for $21 on Amazon. Is actually available on Prime Day for $19.70. So let's take a look at it. I didn't really need a pocket knife, but when I saw it for the price, I just thought it looked pretty cool and figured out what the heck. When I was growing up, my grandfather always carried an Oldtimer, and I didn't even know they were still making knives. Stumbled across this one, just like the look of it. Now this is the 31OT. There's also a 31OT-CP, and my understanding is that the difference is the 31OT has a wood handle. The 31OT-CP has a plastic handle. The wood one also comes in a box, and I believe the 31OT-CP comes in a plastic clamshell. It is a total of 6.5 inches, high carbon stainless steel, 2.9 inch lock blade with thumb studs. It's got a lock back. And then you can actually take this off. Not sure how well you can see it, but I think you can remove those screws. Pretty sharp looking, especially for under $20. Thumb stud is nice and loose. It's funny, I'm basically replacing this SOG knife I've got, and the reason I hate the SOG is it's so hard to open the blade. The Oldtimers is a whole lot easier, whole lot looser. Try and zoom in, give you some details. Got the logo, the year on it that they came out. 31OT on the blade. They do give you a little instruction card here. But that's it. If you're looking for a cheap, good-looking pocket knife, give this one a try. Under $20 on Amazon. As always, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.